Hi, I'm Alex. I'm with Synergy 3, and today we're going to go over how we installed a Bryant Ducted Ductless system here in Huntingdon Valley in Bucks County. Before we go in and check out everything, I just want to give credit to the two installers that were responsible for this installation. We have Edward and Artem. So let's check inside and see the work that we did.
I've been living in this house for 6 years, but the house was built in 1999 and it has an original air conditioner system, which is gas furnace with central air. The original system didn't seem working quite well because a couple of my rooms on the second floor, like my son's room and my guest room, it wasn't getting cold enough in the summertime and warm enough in the winter time. I found the Synergy 3 company and they explained the problem and offered me additional mini-split ductless system, which I decided to go for. This ductless system will be an additional unit that will bring more coldness or warmth in the winter time to the rooms that had an issue. And we decided also to add it to each room on the second floor, just in case if you want to get like a little colder or a little warmer. It's enough to handle all the rooms.
So we're on the side of our home right now of our client's house, and as you can see, this is where we ran our line set, and we did a covering with the slim duct covering to cover our communication, condensation, refrigeration line, and we have our outdoor unit, our ductless outdoor unit, right beside the existing system. So that one system was just alone controlling the temperature within the entire home. But the issue with the second floor was we had a big temperature degree difference between the first and the second floor, and we had also discrepancies in rooms. So what we decided to do was we installed a concealed ducted ductless system in the attic that would then become its own separate zone for that second floor, and that would resolve that issue with the different temperature degrees. Okay, so we're in our client's attic, and as you can see, we have our concealed ducted indoor unit. We have Edward and Artem that are still working on the job to get it done. What we have here is the existing ductwork that was running and just feeding the entire second floor. As we learned from our homeowner, that was not enough to be able to bring down the temperature on the second floor. But we added this additional 2-ton ducted unit that would tailor the 2 bedrooms over there, and then in addition add an additional supply in the master bedroom. Bryant offers high wall units or floor consoles, but those are sometimes an eyesore because they're mounted right on the wall. But the nice thing about this, that this can go in the attic, then everything can be concealed. Alright, so we're here on the second floor, and the one thing that I just wanted to quickly highlight on is we have our central return that we installed for the new system in the attic. But then a lot of homeowners, they struggle with that they have to change the filter, and in order to change the filter you have to go up in the attic. But what we can offer is we have this filter grill. So there's these tabs that you remove, and then you'll have access to your filter, so that way you don't have to go up in the attic to change the filter.
The guys been great. They're very quick. They done the work in 2 days and everything is very clean. And after they've been done, they even like broomed the floors and mopped them. So I was quite shocked that how clean is the house after them. That's really great work. This summer we're looking to have 68 degrees finally, because with the previous one we couldn't get lower than 70, mostly 72, 73. It would never go colder. So this year it's finally fixed. My son will enjoy his chill room as well as my guests.
We hope you found this video informative. So if this is something that you think you're interested in, or it's something that you're struggling with, feel free to give us a call or check out our website.